Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Redfin to track comps and neighborhoods. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Redfin website. If you don't have an account, click on the Join Redfin button. Fill in your information to create an account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Once logged in, use the search bar to find the neighborhood you're interested in. Type the neighborhood name and hit Enter. Browse through the list of available homes in that area. To track comps, select a property that interests you. Scroll down to the section labeled Nearby Recently Sold Homes. Take note of the sold homes in the area for comparison. To set up tracking for specific neighborhoods, click on Save Search at the top of the page. Name your search for easy identification. Choose how frequently you want to receive updates. Select Save to finalize your search criteria. You will now receive notifications about new listings and price changes in your selected area. Repeat this process for any additional neighborhoods you wish to track. Check your email for alerts regarding market changes and comps. To manage your saved searches, go to the My Redfin section. Here, you can view, edit, or delete your saved searches as needed. You are now set up to easily track comps and neighborhoods with Redfin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.